Good morning, everybody. I am Ratnadeep sir, class teacher of standard 5th. We we are going to learn today problem set 10 of math subject, okay? Of lesson number 3rd, addition and subtraction. You have to open the page number 12. Here we are going to learn how to solve problem set 10. For example, here subtractions are given, okay? Subtractions are given. Subtract. Here you have to here you have to subtract 5 digit number by 5 digit number, okay? So for example, I am giving you one example, general example. 38, 2, 6, 7. Here 5, here 3, 4, 1, 6 and 1, okay? 38,267, 16,144. This is a sign of subtraction. We have to subtract, okay? Now how will you subtract? From here, this is a unit place, this is a tens place, this is a hundred place, this is a thousand place, this is a 10,000 place. Now you have to subtract 5 from 7. From the unit place you have to start, okay? For example, if 7 will be subtracted from 5, what will be the answer? 2 will come. If 6 will be subtracted from 4, 6 minus 4, it will become 2. 2 minus 1, the answer will be 1. 8 minus 6, the answer will be 2. 3 minus 1, answer will be 2. So what is the answer? 22,122. This is the answer. For example of problem set 10, we will try to solve any one example, okay? We will take the difficult one. We will take the second sum, okay? We will try to solve the second sum. 6, 4, 293 minus 2, 8, 5, 4, 7. Here also how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. So you have to subtract 5 digit number from 5 digit number. If you see, the first number is bigger, 64,293. The second number is 28,547. It is a smaller number. So always the subtraction will be done from the smaller number from the bigger number to the smaller number, okay? Smaller number will be subtracted from the bigger number. Likewise only you will get the addition in this problem set. Now 3 is there and 7 is there. Now 3 is a smaller number but 7 is a bigger number. So how will you solve this? This is the question. Here simply you have subtracted 7 minus 5, 2, because the first number was bigger and second number was smaller. So simply you did it. How will you solve here? This is the question. Because here is 3 will be subtracted from 7. So what will you do? You will cut this number and then in this subtraction you will take one carry from the 9, it will become 13. Now the 1 you have given to the 3, so it became 13. So 9 minus 1, it will become 8, because you have donated. You have donated that 1 to the 3, because the 7 cannot be subtracted from 3. So now you will subtract 13 minus 7. Now it is easy. Yes. Now 13 minus 7, the answer will be 6. Now here the 9 was there, so this one you got it from the side number 9. So now the 9 the number 1 you have given to the 3, so now 9 minus 1 it will become 8. Now you have to subtract 4 from 8. Don't subtract 4 from 9. You have to subtract 4 from 8. So 8 minus 4 it will become 4. Now 2, again the same condition happens. Okay, the same step. 2 cannot be subtracted from 5. So in this case again you have to take the carry from the 4. So here will become 4 minus 1 3 and it will become 12. So 12 minus 5, the answer will be 7, and then 3 minus 8, you cannot subtract 8 from 3. It is not possible. So you will take one carry from 6. So it will become 13. And here if you have given the one number to the 4, then 6 minus 1 it will come 5. So 13 minus 8, the 5 will be answer, and 5 minus 2, 35. So this is the answer, 35,746. Okay, did you understand it? If you don't understand, then again I am going to take another example. Another example from problem set 10 only. We have solved the second one. We will take the fourth one. 5050 432 minus 48 647. Okay. Now here you want to subtract 48,647 from 50,432. This is a unit place, this is a 10 place, this is a 100 place, this is a 1000 place, this is a 10,000 place. Now here 2 cannot be 7 cannot be subtracted from 2 because 7 is a bigger number and 2 is a smaller number. So in this case also you have to borrow 1 from 3. So this is a 2 is here. You write the 2 and then you take 1. You have to borrow 1 from the 3. 3 minus 1 it will become 2. So 12 minus 7, the answer will come 5. Now again you cannot subtract 4 from 2 because 2 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. So what you have to write, what you have to do, you have to take one carry from 4. Here you have to take carry from 4. Now this number 2 will become 12 and 12 minus 4, the answer will come 8. Now again you cannot subtract 6 from 3 because 3 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So in this same case it is a 0. It is a 0. So it is a 0 means nothing. How you will take the because 0 number means nothing. So you write 0 here and 0 will take borrow from the 5. Okay, so here 4 will come and 0 will become 10. Okay, 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 you minus 1 and give 1 to the 3. So 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 6, the answer will come 13 minus 6, 7 answer will come. Now again 9 minus 8, 1 will come and 4 minus 4, 0 will come. So answer is 0. You don't consider this 0. The answer is simply 1785. Likewise you have to solve the other sums. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.